Today, this is where I'm deboned. I want to show you the waterfall behind my house. So let's go. Oh my god, I slipped. I ate shit. First outside episode, well, no, third actually. Rest of them been chugs. This is super sketchy. Okay. This is the creek behind my house, not the big creek, but I'm thinking of how I can get over there. If I go down this way real quick. It's beautiful. It's like 61, 62 maybe. But I think I can just come right through here. Just don't fall in. This is gonna be super sketchy. Should I get a running start? I'm gonna do it actually. Oh my god, broke. Here we go, guys. Oh my god. I slipped. I'm okay though. I made it. 3, 2, 1. We made it. Almost didn't though. Alright, now follow me. Well, you guys have no choice. Walk through these trees right here. On the ground. Cut this way. The first part. Now it's the easy part. Walking down the road. Right here. Hold up. I'll see what creek is. I'm gonna do like 4 creeks from my house. I'll see you guys there. There's my bike. That's my bike. That's really my bike. Fucking slid all the way down here. It was crazy, guys. Here's a little deer trail, coyote trail. Those are deer tracks. Oh, but you guys here. Oh, I didn't see that guy. What are you doing here? Ooh. My boy got, ooh. My boy just got crispy cut. Ooh. That's pretty disgusting. Should I touch it? Probably got rabies or something. You know. I touched it. Ugh. But I'm pretty sure I'm pretty loose to that. That fucking hunting trap. I'm loose to that. But I'm definitely washing my hands. Oh, that's so disgusting. Stay right here. Right here is another waterfall. Those 2 I just showed you are nothing compared to the ones you guys are gonna see right now. Alright, this is the shit. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Ooh. Try not to fall down here. Pretty sure that's where they have the gate up. Oh my god. This is a lot slippery than it was a little while ago, like a couple months ago. I'm sure this is a high. I think we're taking a slog. Alright. Do not fall. Look at this shit, man. Look at that. Yeah. Oh my god. There's another one down there. Alright guys, that's the waterfall. Let me know if you want more content and peace out.